Hey guys, I hope everybody's doing all right out there. Got out this afternoon, got a little bit of flying in, set up a track in the front yard and practiced racing a little bit, laid down some laps, so it was nice to get out. But I'll throw a little video together of the DVR. I tried to record a little HD video with the GoPro, but it didn't record, so it'll just be DVR. But it was nice to get out and get some sunshine, and it's finally dried up where I didn't feel like I was going to crash in a puddle or something. But hopefully everybody else is able to get out and fly a little bit wherever you're at. I know a lot of people are on lockdown right now, so if that's the case, hopefully you can at least get a little bit of simulator time in. But it was nice to get out, so put this little video together. So just wanted to say, everybody take care of yourselves out there, and just watch out for yourselves and your family. So just I'm thinking of everybody. So y'all take care, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.